Small fish crossing the road to reach water. Cow opening the gate latch using its tongue. Clever idea by this bird to catch fish. Well-balanced act by chimpanzee to pluck leaves. Worker ants carrying a biscuit collectively to their nest. Big bear entertaining visitors to get food. Carrying the flower beyond its size. This bird swimming underwater comfortably, unbelievable. A friendly push by the crow for the cat to jump. Pulled out the fellow bee stuck in the water. He got his food while the vendor's busy. Helping its owner in excavation work, amusing. It knows how to control the water flow. Dancing rhythmically in front of the prey. Scallop swimming in water, looks funny. Placing the shapes in the box after it. Jumped exactly into the wall. Close walking of friends blocked the road. It is more interested in looking at neighbor's house. Hopping easily over the barrier stones. Looks like that buffalo is practicing with Tyre. Riding like a boss on the crocodile's tail. Serious fight between them about something. Teams of parrots playing volleyball. Trying to catch a fish moving under the ice. Its big mouth needs a big fruit. Vanish of the duck in the water surprised that tiger. Red fat fish looks strong and attractive. Following traffic rules at the road intersection. Strong warning for puppies to stay inside. Struggling to fly in strong wind. Tried to jump over the fence.